Feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a poppin' ass wig install for y'all guys. The blonde is back, so you know when I do my blonde hair, I don't know how to act. This hair was sent to me by Julia Hair, guys, and this is their 13x4 lace frontal wig in 613 color. Guys, this is a 22-inch wig. It's also a Brazilian straight, and it is 150% density. So I did just get the wig like straight out of the package. You can see it has combs on the inside as well as adjustable straps. I did not bleach this hair. I didn't do anything to this hair. I've been super lazy as of late. I could have washed it with some purple shampoo. I really could have, but I didn't. I just did my hair and just went out the door. So I did a ball cap somewhat. It's not like the neatest ball cap, but I did a ball cap, sis. Anyways, this is what the hair looks like on my head directly out of the packaging. What I didn't like, I must say, is the sides, because at the side the track was kind of showing like it was a little bit thin. Like at the side there isn't much lace right where the ear tabs is, but I managed to finesse it, so it didn't really matter. I made it work and it looked super bomb, but I don't know why at the side had such little lace. I know lace is in shortage, but then, but yeah, so that's the side. The middle though, like it directly in the middle is a full 4-inch part, so you can part your hair, and if you wanted to, you could like put like, you know, maybe put it up in a little ponytail at the top. And there isn't much lace to cut off. Like there really isn't a lot of lace on the hair, so I am cutting off the little lace that's at the ear tabs. And yeah, the hair comes pre-plucked. What I like about these 613s, for the most part, they're pre-plucked. um I didn't pluck it. I really didn't, because I didn't have that much lace to pluck away any hairs, because you see how that the track right there was showing. So I didn't really pluck it or do anything to it. I just did like the best that I could with what I got. So I'm going in with some Ghost Bond, and I'm gonna do like 2 layers of the Ghost Bond because I did keep this unit on for like 4 days. So I'm using my my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm in the shade 330, and I'm just putting that on the lace on the inside. For 613 wigs, I literally just add some powder to the cap, because you know once makeup is on it, it gets like really dirty, and you don't want that messy, dirty look. So I am going in with the Ghost Bond, and I'm using a fork, not a fork. Oh my god, I'm using a plastic knife so I can just toss it when I'm done, and I'm just spreading the glue around the perimeters of my hair. And for me, guys, I like to measure where exactly I want the lace, and I tend to put the glue behind where I want it. So once I put the wig on, I put it over where the glue is, so it'll be easier to clean up. There won't be any glue to clean up actually. So after I cut the lace, whatever areas need extra glue, I rather just go in with a rat tail comb and add that glue versus putting a lot of glue and putting it too far on my forehead. Then it's gonna be a hot mess. I rather putting like less and putting it, you know, a bit back from where I want the hair to lay. So then it's easier for me to clean up, and it's easier for me to correct like any mistakes. So this is the first layer, and it's like drying down. And yeah, I'm gonna add a second layer. Wait, this is a second layer, but yeah, and I'm just making that dry down. I did go on my blow dryer because it was taking too long. And yeah, after it's dry and clear, then that is when you actually attach your lace. Do not put your lace on the glue when it's not clear, because it tends to be a mess. And I was just having a whale of a time over there. I was just dancing and waiting on my glue to dry, and I was having some Sour Patch Kids, and I swear the sugar in it was giving me a sugar rush because I was OD over here acting up by myself. Yeah, so my hair is like almost dried, and then I'm going to lay my lace. This hair is 150% density, so it's not very thick. I must say it's not very thick, but I feel like it's a nice natural like density that it will look great. Like this is your natural hair and you dyed it blonde. That's what I feel that I get from this wig. So if you want something like more full, you'll definitely have to get a higher density, but I don't mind. I like how it looks. It looks like I just got like a relaxer or whatever, and my hair is blonde, so I'm here for like the natural look. And once like the glue was tacky, I applied the lace and I put it in front of the glue, and I'm just pressing that in. Then I'm gonna go in with my elastic band, and with the elastic band, I'm gonna tie it down so the glue melts into my skin, not the glue, well, the lace melts into my skin. So that's what we're gonna do. And then after that, I will part my hair as well as go in with my hot comb. So I let the elastic band stay on for like 10 to 20 minutes. It hurts my head sometimes, but it's good because it makes the lace melt into your skin, like it really melts it. And yeah, I'm gonna cut the extra lace off. So I have to tuck the baby hairs out of the way. Those baby hairs really look like the bang, but we're not gonna talk about that. So I'm just like cutting off the extra lace, and I will go in with a rat tail comb, and I will use the end of it to add glue to the spots where I have lifting, or the spots that didn't get any glue. So I'll do that to seal like the front of the hair and to have everything just like seamlessly blended. And yeah, I'll blow dry the area and push the hair into the glue just so everything melts. And I think I went in and I tied my hair down again after this just to get that lace to really like melt into my skin. But we're going to go in with like a hot comb for sure to lay the lace. Yeah, there it is. So using my hot comb to lay the parting and to lay the hair. And guys, I used this Nairobi wrapping lotion, and it was blue, and it sort of made my hair turn blue. So use a clear mousse without color, because I don't know, but the blue did eventually come off, but it kind of tinted a section of my hair blue. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up the parts or making sure the part is like sharp, and then I'm gonna hot comb it some more because we want everything like flat, relaxed, or fresh. That's the kind of look that I want to get from this, like just really flat and very like natural looking. I really wish I could have plucked the side of the frontal some more, but you're not able to based on how the wig is constructed. But I still went ahead and I made it work, and that's what it's looking like after I lay my baby hairs and everything. It is a little bit yellow, sort of, because you know how 613 comes, but because I didn't wash it out or anything, I didn't tone the hair, but it still looked fine, and I liked the look of it. So yeah, the lazy way can work if you don't want to do all the extra steps. And I'm just like tying everything down again. You tie your hair down so much times just to get it to like melt. And I'm just going in with my flat iron, and I'm just straightening the hair, and that's literally all that I did. And the style is like complete. Like this wig is super easy. It's straight to the point. It wasn't like a lot of extra work, to be honest. There wasn't really that much to do, and it's a straight unit, so it's literally straight to the point. And my head wrap kept doing the Ray J challenge, but we're not gonna talk about that. Like it kept shifting. Anyways, that's it. After straightening it, we're gonna go to like the final look where sis looks like a fab. Sis looks luxurious. Like I look luxurious. I look like Miss Thing. Like I was doing my thing. Like this install was really bomb, and I love this look. I love how preppy I looked at the end. The hair laid like really nice. Let me know like your thoughts down below, how y'all feel about this install, because I'm loving it. All the information for the hair will be down in like the description box. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you at my next one. Bye.